So right now you guys are at the stage where if you're low on a specific component, the system will automatically like prompt you to order more, and you guys have executed that a couple times now and gotten to the cycle.
Yeah, it's been huge. Just like, especially with this stuff where it's all production and like the thing with these units that we're building is there's so many components that go into it, but each individual component we may run, we're not just doing one-off stuff anymore. We're doing 20, 40, 50, 100 quantity runs on a single component. And being able to have this, you wouldn't be able to keep up with something like that or track something like that without a system like this.
You mentioned the shop's been growing a lot, and I'm sure that the 40, 50 part runs just tend to be more lucrative in general, right? So as you kind of document things and build it out once, it pays like dividends over time to have someone on the shop floor be able to run it, have like the NC files, the setup sheets, all the tooling they need out right in front of them.
We've just got to a point now where we have to, or we just can't keep up. We gotta have the system. The system. I mean, it tells you when you need to order. It tells you the demand that you need, the quantities that you need to order. In the beginning, because we were small and we didn't really have that overhead, that extra expense, but we did look at JobBoss. We looked at Pro Shop. They wouldn't do what I wanted it to do, especially with a small shop in the beginning, because we wasn't going to use all the functionality. We wanted to get a system that we could grow into. Proto was, that system for us, because it would literally do everything that we needed it to do. The first year to the second year, our growth was almost quadrupled. The support that you guys have given us, and when you don't really know anything about a system like that, it's hard to just pick it up on your own, and you coming out and giving us the presentation of it, and you helped us get it set up, helped us get running, and I think you stayed with us almost a week, I think, in the beginning.